Searching for market intelligence in Mintel. So this is what Mintel will look like. The most recent report will be at the top of the page up here, and then a whole load of other reports down the page as you go down, just in date order really. And this is your search bar along the middle here. You can search for keywords within the database here, or if you're not entirely sure specifically what you're wanting to look for, but you just want to see what general reports there are in your subject area, a key way to do that is to select the category. These are the category areas that Mintel covers, and you can choose a particular area. If you're interested in technology and media, or specifically, you can go to technology. So if I choose technology, this will show all the analysis and reports that are available in Mintel for that area, technology. Now, included in that will be reports. This is a report, and the reports are the most in-depth things they have on Mintel. They also have these insights, which are useful information but much more limited in scope. Specific pieces of information they are. If you want to narrow down to just the reports, you can do that by selecting this option here and choosing just reports, and then you will get a sense of all the in-depth information they have. In this particular example, we're looking at technology, if you remember, and you can see all their in-depth reports they have in technology. If you want to search for specific keywords, you can do that in this search box here. But remember, if you've narrowed down to a particular category, it might make sense to cancel that category. So we were in technology, we can cancel that, or we can clear all, and that will clear all the filters that we've put in. So if I click clear all there, it's no longer saying report a type over here, as well as losing the technology. And you can search across everything then for keywords, and I'm going to just search for social media, and then I can either click where it says social media, and that will bring up all the occurrences of the term social media in the database, or it suggests some specific reports to me, e.g. social media networks. That's a report from May 2019 that I could read in full if I wanted to. I can either click there to access the full report, or let's just click here where it says social media, and we'll see what is available when you run a search. So included in this are insights. There are insights here, and there are also reports, and in fact that was that one that they were recommending to us there. The insights, as I say, haven't got as much depth as the reports, so you might want to read the full report. So I'm going to click here where it says read report, and this will take you through to a report here. Now this is what they tend to look like, these reports. There's a little summary at the top, there's information, a brief bit of information at the top available to you here. If you want to access all the sections of the report, you have to use this little button over here, table of contents. And if I select table of contents, you'll see all the sections of the report, and you can read whichever section you want to read at that stage. So let's just see issues and insights, for example, and it will take me through into a section of the report. You'll notice there are lots of statistics in these reports. There's data, and you'll see elsewhere data available to you here in these reports. If I go back to the report homepage, if I can click this link at the top, and it will take me back to the report homepage. It will take me there. If I go back to that report homepage, we click table of contents, but just next to that you've got methodology, and it tells you how they have generated these data, this information that they've got. Also, and this is really useful, if I click here where it says data, and then if I select data book, you will get a full Excel spreadsheet of all the underlying data that they have generated in surveys, etc., when they've been making this report. Really useful to get all the underlying data. In the table of contents where we looked, you get the key figures. So if I went to issues and insights again, you'll get key numbers, but the underlying data is available to you as well if you want it. So that's a report on Mintel.